I will unbox this parcel which I have ordered. This is an argan and rose hip face serum. It is for anti-aging and anti-wrinkle and also for skin glow. So this argan and rose hip face serum, it actually made of 100% natural organic cold pressed essential oils. Let's see. So as you can see, I am trying to open this box. Oh, I need to cut it down. So as you can see that I'm trying to open it, and here it is. Packing is really very good, and I would like to tell you that I have ordered on 13th June and I have received this box on 15th, which means today in the morning. And as you know that this is a lockdown period, so I have kept it outside. I kept it near my home in a corner for almost a day, so it's almost more than 12 hours. So you can see this packing. The packing is very good, and you can see it was wrapped. So now I'm going to open it and I'll show you. So as I was trying to say, it consists of argan, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, primrose oil. So let's see. And before trying this, I would like to sanitize my hands first. 70% alcohol. Take a few drops. You can see. It smells really good. I'm taking out a few drops. So that's all for today.